again. Shout out to all of you watching this video. I am here. I am going to unbox the things that I've been longing to buy it since I don't know how long. So I finally got it and I'm so excited about it. I mean, I'm going to unbox this. But before that, how are you? Thank you for watching. Here we go. Let's go. This is what I have to unbox. Ta-da! Ta-da! This has been I've been searching for this for a while now. I don't know, maybe 2 years. 2 years and a half. I don't know how long. But I finally found this. Last two Christmas, I asked for my husband to buy me for Christmas present. But anyway, he didn't, because he said I don't need to have a big steamer. I only need a little. I have little tiny bitty thing, but if I steam something, it takes long time because there's not much space. So here you go. I can steam big potatoes, or steam some siomai, some gyoza, and some, most especially, puto and bibingka. And there you guys. As you can see, the picture is the same thing. So I bought it. I'm excited. I bought it myself because my husband didn't want to buy it for me. So I gave myself a present because I'm the one who cooks. So I don't want to give myself a hard time. Anyway, I am so excited. So this is what it looks like. Look at that lid. You can see. So, and it's a three-layer stainless steel steamer. Have to hurry up. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I bought this at the Asian store yesterday, and this is the only one left, so I grabbed it right away because I really need it, because I'm always cooking puto and something, and you can steam some vegetable also. There you go. And this it's a high quality stainless steel. It's 30 cm with steamer 3-layer. And you can steam some vegetables and anything. So this is what I need for my puto and siomai. I am so happy. It is from, what do you call that? It's made from California. It's made from California. But here you go, guys. I am so excited. I can steam some potato. I'm steaming some potato right now. There you go. And there you are. Wow. I am so excited. Anyway, I'm like a little kid that's excited about things. It's more exciting when somebody will give it to you, but I appreciate. And this is cost, how much does it cost? It costs $42.99. Oh my goodness gracious, that's too much. But anyway, it's a high quality. It's Walong Marketing Incorporated from Buena Park, California. But this is from product of China. Anyway, there you go. Thank thank you guys for watching. I am just sharing my happiness. I appreciate all my effort to find this for a long time, and I finally found it. All right, I'm still wearing my robe because it is so cold outside. I know it's sunny, but it's windy and cold. I'm always cold, so there you go. Shout out to all my supporters and subscribers, and thank you all so much. And I would not mention anybody because I keep forgetting, but anyway, thank you so much for everything. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so. Like, subscribe, and notify so you can be notified every time I have videos or premieres or LS. And we'll see you around. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you all.